loser.
Nakita namin ito sa bag ni Tami, look.
I need to get off my ass and do something.
Seriously, honey. I love you, guapo.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Okay guys, andito yung sister-in-law ko. Andun siya doon. Andun siya. Hindi na ako makapag-vlog kasi galawan na to. Galawan. Yun. And ito, relax lang siya kasi his back is killing him. Well, actually, his back is not good. He's still my baby even though he's pain in the neck. You know that? He's still my baby. He's pain in the neck. I love you.
Love you too.
It's my photo thing, guys. I love this so much, guys.
Seems
Bill.
fine.
No, it's not seems fine, hon. The machine.
What's the matter with the machine?
It's not working. And something that the cartridge is something.
Oh, can you buy cartridges for it anymore?
Are they expensive?
Yeah.
Yeah. I used some to make really a craft thing.
That's for like
This was from a vacation, I'm sure. That's what I do, but I don't have mine marked either, so...
you have to mark it.
Well, you should mark it, like, you know, when, what beach, you know.
Oh, really?
You know, what state. Yeah, you know, why not? But, I have little things all over the place, and I don't have... but I'll hang on to those.
Digging. You're digging. Ay, nako, hon. You have tons of silver.
Yeah.
Honey. Silver. Honey, it's broken, oh. It's not, it's ugly.
It's silver. That's off.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, blood pressure. Blood pressure? Blood pressure?
You have a lot of it and then never used it.
I don't like it.
I found something bad.
What's that?
Okay. Okay guys, nandito kami sa basement. Look guys. Andreas. Nakita namin ito sa bag ni Tami. Look. Hindi ito sa akin eh. Sabi ni Andrea, hindi daw ito sa kanya.
Taxi!
So I guess, sa ano ito ni Tami. Look at it. Look at it.
Actually, you gotta see what size it was.
Yeah, it's not my size.
What size is it? Snooping through someone else's underwear. Knock yourself out, I wanna hear.
Yeah, my husband underwear shit. 8? Extra large? Extra fucking large.
I guess you like bigger women.
I guess gusto ni Tami yung bigger
You
booty.
want this? The one up here is messed up, but they're tablecloths.
Oh, really?
They're not. Well, maybe the tablecloth under it and the napkins.
Okay, let me look.
But I have a lot. I feel like most of this paperwork is trashed now, but
Oh, this is nice.
yeah, no, they are nice. It's, you know.
It's a nice tablecloth, guys, from my mother-in-law.
This I have a. One of these things is all checkbooks and shit, which is.
I guess I can clean some of this. I'll bring this home. You don't want it?
No, not that fancy.
You're right.
And you know, now what do I have? I have just getting more and more babies.
More babies.
Plastic is the in thing.
Okay, I'm gonna tell Tommy to clean this one.
Yeah, he probably tarnished stuff underneath.
What is that?
I think it's that saw. Oh, this was my father's butcher shop paper.
He has a butcher?
He did.
Okay.
This is just, I don't know. Some of those papers are so messed up, but there's a whole bunch of checkbooks and stuff in it, so. Tommy should like this. Newspapers of my father had saved a bunch of, like, Nixon, so it's interesting. But.
He has in there?
Oh, yeah.
Enough! Shit.
What happened?
I dropped it.
Hey, you want to walk this out? He said it was garbage, right?
Yeah, hold on. I'll put this first.
I don't know how to get wants the box for it or not, to be honest. Ooh, this is the box that the saw comes in, but...
He said he's gonna keep it?
The saw, yeah. Yeah. But I don't know if he's gonna want the box. I mean, there's stuff in
No,
here.
I think just that, because you know what? We can use this box for something.
Well, there's stuff in the box.
I'll throw this out, right?
Yeah, I think that's what he said.
I can just put this up there, out there?
Yeah, just put it in the trash cans.
No.
I need to get off my ass and do something. And my Christmas lights, but besides that,
Did you put
I mean,
Christmas already?
I would like to put my Christmas lights up, yeah. But,
The tree inside.
no, not the tree. Where did he go?
Upstairs.
Huh?
Upstairs. Guys, I can't forget this.
God help you. No.
My sister-in-law thinks that I'm stupid.
Where did he go?
Upstairs.
He doesn't care if we throw all his stuff?
I guess.
Ask him if he wants the box for that saw. I don't know if he does, and I'll just throw it in my car and somehow get your help with someone. You must get on these boxes $1. It's all available on the checkbook.
You can put the box open. The door open now. Okay, I'll put it. Okay, what else?
This is the tax return for me.
Sorry, what else?
I'm gonna bring this upstairs, see if my husband will go through it.
You good?
Okay, good.
Well, let me see, maybe I can find some people here to study.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to
How does it move? No. Okay, this is probably all now. No stuff.
Yeah, I know this is. But this other junk in here is Tommy. It's cool kind of stuff. And you know what? We don't know what shit is.
Oh, this is, yeah, this is a little bit. This is you gonna bring it upstairs?
What?
This one.
Yeah, I want to bring it to Anthony. Ask if we can throw it. You want to do it?
Well, I'll put in front of him.
Hey, your wife wants to know if you'll go through this.
Oh, did you drop it on the
Yeah, let's sit over there.
You won't take this garbage, Andrea? Huh? You won't take the box.
Yeah, those little protection pieces I never use.
No, won't fit. No.
I don't know.
Oh, you know what? Because I guess this panel, this plate did come off.
Ito yung pinakauna kong, dito tayo sa bedroom ni Tami. Pinaka-old na bedroom ni Tami na yung bata pa talaga siya, guys. Madumi kasi hindi pa talaga ito. Dug. And then my guitar. Let's play a guitar. Oh my god. Yabag manoy. Kabalo man ko mo guitar, guys, konti. Ang daming Elvis dito. Daming Elvis Presley na clock. And then meron siyang Elvis dito lang. Elvis Presley, dami, guys. So Elvis, ito Star Trek na sticker. Dami pa. Cat. Ang dami dito, guys. Kita na ninyo na. First time ko din ito. May mga cabinet pa siya dito. TV cabinet. Oh. First time ko niyan. First time eh. Han? Han, we're going. I went to your bedroom and I played the guitar. Let's go now, please. What is that? No, shit, God, please, let's go now. It's 4 o'clock. When Tommy start digging, he won't stop and we need to go. So, your bedroom is kind of like clean up a little bit.
Yeah.
There's a lot of, there is a big Elvis head over there.
Yeah.
I was laughing. What is that all about? Huh? Is that your watch? Is that gold watch under there?
No, it's not gold, but it is my watch. It was in that little pouch with these coins.
We can come back here anyway.
There's 2 watches in here that were in there.
I see that.
But they were destroyed it ready for water. This is what you're talking
1, 2, 3.
Oh, 3.
Okay, guys, we are going home. And I think dito lang yung kapatid ni Tami. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras sila aalis. Basta kami aalis kasi kailangan ng umalis. Pinakaayaw ito ni Tami na aalis kami. And then, dito yung isa. Kasi kahit ano-ano lang mga. Hello guys, we are pauwi na kami. We are pauwi. What is the ano dito? 50. Yeah, pauwi na kami. My husband is busy reading again social media again. Ang dami namin nakikita ngayon, yung mga sasakyan, the real tree, the real Christmas tree. Nilagay nila sa ibabaw ng sasakyan. Ang dami kong nakikita this time. I saw a lot of people, honey, have a Christmas tree on top of the car.
Yep, it's the time of year.
Look, another one.
It happens right after Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I see a lot of them. I like, they're having fun on living. So, what are you reading?
Parlor stuff.
Parlor, guys. Social media, guys. Social media. It's 4:20 na ng 4:30 na actually almost ng hapon. Paggabi na ito, guys. Mga 5 o'clock dark na to. And this is the time it's traffic. Actually, right now, okay pa naman yung okay pa naman yung I have my cell phone, okay. Okay pa naman yung traffic. Maraming sasakyan pero the flow is on the go. Is that right, English, honey? He's busy, guys. He's such a busy man. Pinapaningot ako, guys. Ay, grabe. Ang init. Hindi ko hinubad itong coat ko. Sabi ko, mainit na. Pero I'm not gonna hubad-hubad this kasi my armpit is basa. Nahihiya ako. Ay, nagbasa na talaga yung armpits ko. Kailangan ko na itong labhan. Maglaban na tayo kasi pinapaningot na tayo ng maraming singot. Right, love? And hindi kami magluluto ngayon. Get so excited to see your old bedroom, man. I sit over there and play the guitar. He listened to me. I get so excited. I said, this is where my husband clang himself. Guys, you know what? The underwear, guys, but I can't really. He has an underwear of his, like bags. His bag. An underwear is a tea bag underwear, like a tea bag, like string in your ass into your vajayjay. And he has it in his bag, and I kind of like upset, but I cannot get so mad because my sister-in-law is in there. I said, oh my God, honey, seriously, honey, when that happened, hon?
I have no idea.
Huh?
What I know?
But that's your bag.
Yeah, so I'm so sure what year that was from.
So the woman get naked and put it in your bag?
Or she left it in my car with him or something.
Hello, oh my God. Seriously, huh? Now, I'm sure you do remember. And I've been holding that You're not cheating, right?
Really? Yes, I stuffed it in an old bag. Really? What the heck is wrong with you?
Underwear. Tea bag. And I never have tea bag in my life. And that is size 8. Andrea said you like woman. Extra large. She kept laughing, and I guess your husband like a heavy woman. Han, it hurts me.
I know when it was extra large, so I don't know.
Seriously, extra large, Han, 8.
Huh?
No, it seems like you are so happy, reminiscing everything. Look at your face.
Yeah, okay.
Your face is so nice, and I have a nice reminiscing in it. Reminisce. Honey, look at the moon is big and it's full moon. And you know what? If you found something and it's full moon, it's true. That your partner or your wife or your husband is doing something crappy. Look at that, he's just typing. Whatever. I'm gonna find a guy's underwear to put in my bag. Han.
Yeah.
Whatever. You know what?
other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling up. We're talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah.
So, what are we gonna eat for dinner?
We're gonna eat chicken and veal and shrimp franchise.
Chicken and veal?
And shrimp franchise.
Is that the same thing what we ordered the last time?
Yes, it is. Same thing I always order, only I didn't really get much last time.
Oh, sorry.
Or the time before that.
Sorry, baby. Sorry, honey. Sorry, love. This time you can have it all. You can have it all.
No.
I have the pizza again, okay?
No.
I'm gonna have the pizza. Do you know what I'm gonna have? Sardines.
No.
Sardines and rice.
You can try these anytime. They
No,
don't
no,
go
no.
bad. They're in a can.
Now I feel bad that you said you don't even eat the last
There's
time.
plenty for both of us. What are you kidding?
No. You can have it. Makes you happy?
No.
It's dark, baby. It's
Yeah,
dark,
you know what that means?
What?
It means your lights are on the house.
The light is on.
Yeah.
Baby Misty is whining already. You know who she is when she want to pee and wanna go out because she doesn't wanna do anything in the house. She have to cry and cry. That's who she is. She have to cry and cry. I feel bad for the monkey, eh? Because she's afraid if, you know, she get punishment. Look at that. Look at that sunrise. Oh, sunsets. You can still see the orange over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, she don't even know.
I just look. That's why it took me so long to say that.
Misty, iyak nang iyak si Misty talaga, guys. Cry, baby. Aloy, aloy, baby. You cry. We are home. Hi, baby. Wait, we are here. Hala. Tingnan niyo itong dalawa. Where's the bone? Go get the bone. Okay, let's go inside. Come in. Come in. Let's go in. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Dada. Go get him. Go get Dada. Where is Dada? Where is he? He left? Oh, Dada left. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, Dada left, huh? Go get him. It's over there. La, la, la,
Don't you want any of these little clam strips in there?
Huh?
Clam strips?
Clam?
Clam.
Would you have clam?
That's what I had yesterday. You know, it's little clam strips.
No, I'm not.
Why?
Well, actually, you can heat it in the oven or the toaster.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have some, okay?
Yes.
You sure?
I'm positive.
No, honey. Oh, you cry like when you were driving. You said I didn't give you.
I only cry when you're driving. Because you're such a scary driver.
You know what, honey?
You know what?
I'm a good driver. And you know that. Even you told me I am good. Is that a lie? Are you a liar? I'm a liar.
I
I'm a
said it when I
liar.
was in fear for my life.
Am I a liar? Am I a liar?
I'm feared for my life.
People said I'm annoying. But you know what? You love my annoyingness.
Yeah, you are doing it. I'm so feared for my life.
Seriously, honey. I love you, guapo.
Well, you can put it in the toaster. Put it in the regular oven?
You said you're gonna put it in a thing.
No, put it in the toaster or the regular oven. Just put it in the regular oven. How much?
400. No, I heat it already in my plate. What the heck is wrong with you?
What you put in your plate?
The clam.
I thought you said you were gonna have yours in the toaster.
No, you said just put it in the plate.
Well, because of the French fry. I think because of the French fries, so we just put it in there.
Kain lang kami, guys. This is me. When I get hungry, I'm collapsy and I'm very noisy. No matter what. If
I had nothing to do with being hungry. Noisy and hungry and nothing to do with each other.
just very noisy.
That's true.
And you know what? Our life is not boring. It's boring, guys. It's boring like this. I love you.
Me too.
So ngayon, nagbihis na ako, guys, pang bahay na. Balik natin yung sinuot natin kanina. Kahapon, kanina, whenever that. So yun, at saka nag-sweater tayo. Balik natin ito kasi maginaw. Yun lang, guys. Wala nang ganap. And then, katapos lang namin kaninang kumain. Anyway, so I'm going to end the vlog, guys. Kasi ano, wala. Sobrang wala na nagagawa si Tami. Na busy na naman sa cellphone niya. Yung ano niya. Yun yung lately ginagawa niya. Sabi ko, itapon mo talaga yung cellphone mo doon. Don't forget. Oh, anyway, yung ano pala, yung dahil sa yung mga tibak na nakikita ko doon na nagpa-impake kami. Ano yun, guys? Na-shock talaga ako nung una. And then, na-realize ko, matagal na yun. Sabi ko, galing ito sa ano na, no, sa nakaraan mo, no. Sabi niya, hindi daw niya maalala. At saka sabi pa niya, wala man daw siyang naging nasyota na sobrang laki, extra large, wala daw. So sabi pa ng kapatid, baka ano yan, sa matagal na yan, sa mga sinaunang panahon pa yan. Sabi ko, naisip ko, baka nga. And then, sabi pa niya, wala man daw siyang naging ano. Pero, nakakatawa kanina. And then, nung una, naglagot pa. Ay, kailangan. Then, na-realize ko, matagal na pala to kasi doon lang siya sa pinaka-basement na nagtatago talaga sa, so matagal na talaga siya. So, yun. Pinagtawanan na lang. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Good night.